With summer.
Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for G-Phone Tech, and today in this video I'll talk to you about a new Samsung's Bluetooth headset, Samsung U-Flex. Samsung U-Flex is a Bluetooth neckband earphone that can be a good companion to you in gym while traveling or cardio exercises like jogging. But this one is steeply priced at around 4,400 rupees. So is it worth the price? Let's have a look at it. First, let me open up the box and show you what's inside it. Apart from the Samsung U-Flex earphones, you get ear tips in 3 different sizes, a USB cable for charging, and the user manual. The design of the Samsung U-Flex looks a bit like a stethoscope. Yes, you heard me right. It is a flexible neckband design, but then it is awkwardly large and the design is not very subtle. But it is a sturdy, flexible design which can last longer if maintained properly. The earphones are coming out of the neckband and they attach to each other magnetically. On one side you would find a button which is a power button and also a play and pause button. There is also a separate key for volume up and down or for track changing. It also has a micro USB port for charging. On the other end, you would find a Bixby button. So this button works specifically if you have a Samsung mobile phone or any Samsung device that is Bixby activated. For the uninitiated, Bixby is a smart virtual assistant from Samsung, very much similar to Siri or Google Assistant. Total weight of the neckband and the earphone is about 50 grams. Very lightweight, but the design is very large and not very subtle. Apart from A2DP, AV, RCP and HFP codec, it also supports Samsung's proprietary scalable codec technology, which promises interference-free, stable Bluetooth connection. Earphones offer good comfort and they fit in my ear perfectly. The quality of sound is not very impressive. It doesn't offer you a punchy bass, but the audio notes are clear and distinct. It offers me about 8 to 9 hours of battery life once charged. To sum it up, this U-Flex band is priced at Rs 4,400 and it may not be suitable for everyone. Samsung fans or anyone who owns a Samsung mobile phone which has Bixby enabled would find this Samsung U-Flex band a suitable companion for their Samsung device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like to watch more such videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel G-Phone Tech. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.